Morning and welcome to the Professor Kev Show. As you can see, I got my friend Abby with us from Healing Up. Good morning, Abby, and welcome to the show.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm just living the dream, my friend. So before we start the show, tell us a little bit about yourself.
So, my name is Aanya Khurana. I'm a student in India. I'm currently in grade 10 and I'm the founder of Healing Up, an organization related to mental health. I have been working on this project from last 1 year and we have impacted more than 200 plus people on online basis, and we are going to expand offline very soon.
Okay, so tell me about Healing Up. Why did you start that? Is it personal?
No, it's not just a personal goal. I think it's a problem which is taking place in the youth, not only in India but in the whole world. I started healing up because of a personal experience which was related to mental health issues when I was not able to talk about my feelings because of being overwhelmed or because of not having friends. And after getting over that problem, I saw and researched about this topic, which was mental health problem in youth. And after that, I thought of starting this initiative, Healing Up.
I really like what you're doing. As a professor, I see the same things you're saying. Students struggling with mental health, and they're not always comfortable talking about it. They don't want to come to you as your professor and say, hey, I need help on this. But the challenge, as I tell them, is if you don't say anything, I can't do anything to help you. I'm like, okay, I shouldn't turn in the assignments. Maybe I shouldn't want to do them. So I think that's important. Talk to me about how you're helping people.
So we have till now helped people. Like last year, our main goal is providing them a safe space where they can talk about mental health. So we are providing them to talk with a peer, psychologist, and a mother figure. So maybe if you're feeling like you want your problem to be talked with a peer, so you can connect with a peer who can help you understand that problem in a much better manner in your age standard. Because people are more comfortable with talking with a peer, and this is like quite difficult, and your professional psychologists who are onboarded with us, your mother, or if you want to talk to someone whom you can feel like family, so you can talk to a mother figure. Last year we was just working on the idea of talking to a psychologist, and we had 25 plus sessions of different teenagers. Due to privacy we cannot share their details, but yeah, they all were quite happy after that. There was one person who had 5 sessions with us continuously, and she actually improved after those. Except that we are doing awareness sessions, we are working on webinars. We did 2 webinars. The first one was on 7th August 2024, and in that webinar 100 plus people joined, and we talked about overthinking and why and how that is impacting us. And the second webinar took place on 5 January 2025. In that webinar we talked about the new trends of manifestation, vision boards, and how you can make your upcoming year, which was 2025, a good year for your journey.
So, crystal ball time, my friend. What are you hoping to accomplish in the future with this idea?
I think I'm seeing this idea to grow on the more place and have like people have the knowledge about mental health. I'm most probably looking forward to receive a Diana Award in future as my own vision for this project, and we are hoping to get offline with this project this year, and I'm looking forward impacting 400 plus people this year.
Awesome. What's the best way for people to reach out to you if they want to learn more, my friend?
They can reach out to me on my email, which is avyakhurana07@gmail.com, or on my LinkedIn. I'm always there to help you out if you have anything.
Awesome. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to call into the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you so much. It was great talking to you.